I just wanna say I know our love is strong.